Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Shopify domain to Google Workspace. This integration allows you to use professional email addresses, like your name at your store, .com, directly with your custom domain. Setting this up enhances your brand's credibility and ensures all your business communications are streamlined. We'll walk through each step to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. First, you need to verify your domain with Google Workspace. Log into your Google Workspace admin console and navigate to the domain verification section. Google will provide a unique TXT record. You'll then go to your Shopify admin, find your domain settings, and add this TXT record to your DNS. Remember, it can take up to 2 days for these changes to fully update across the internet. Next, we'll configure your Mail Exchange, or MX, records. In your Shopify domain settings, find the section for Mail Settings or Advanced DNS. It's crucial to remove any old MX records first to avoid email delivery issues. Then, add the 5 specific MX records provided by Google Workspace, ensuring you input their corresponding priority values correctly. Double-check your entries before saving. To boost email security and ensure reliable delivery, you'll add 3 more records. First, an SBF TXT record authorizes Google Workspace to send emails on your behalf. Second, generate a DKIM CNAME record from Google Workspace and add it for email authentication. Third, implement a DMARC TXT record to protect against spoofing. Finally, send a test email to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.